Hey guys, so it's been about 4 months since I started using the Galaxy S10 Plus when it was released. I haven't been using it the whole time. As you guys know, I've been using it between the Galaxy Note 4, Note 5, Note 8, Note 9, swapping around phones. And instead of giving you my review, my long-term review, my experience, I'm just gonna point out 5 things that I really like about the Galaxy S10 Plus. And in my opinion, those are gonna be the 5 reasons why you wanna get this phone. Let's go. Welcome back to your channel, and if you're new, consider subscribing. We're always making videos about the Galaxy phones and Galaxy watches. The Galaxy S10 Plus, it sure is a beautiful phone. It's not just an expensive phone, but it's a very nice phone. And it's not gonna be for everybody. I don't feel that everybody's gonna enjoy this phone just because some of the features not everybody's gonna like. But number one of the things that I really like, I really enjoy about this phone is the cameras. And I know it's not going to be the best camera you can get. Maybe the Pixel phones can give you better pictures, better video quality. But for the Samsung phones, this has been the best camera I have ever used. Not just the back camera, but the front-facing camera. Rear camera is going to give you some very nice wide-angle shots, ultra-wide-angle shots, or if you want to use a telephoto. You guys know I did a review of the camera or a comparison not too long ago. I'll have a link here if you guys want to go check it out. I compare it with the Galaxy Note 4. And not just during daylight, the pictures were really nice. The colors, everything looked almost perfect. But at night, I was able to get some very good video quality, very good shots. Even on pretty much areas where it was pitch black, I was still able to get some detail. Something that I was very impressed with the rear camera when it comes to low light scenario. Front camera, I was also very impressed. Maybe the beauty mode is a little bit too high on it, but wide angle front facing camera, you can also use the front facing camera to take some portrait modes. Since you have a dual lens, you're gonna be able to take that bokeh effect in the back and just kind of play with some of the features. So definitely camera is one of the top reasons why you wanna get this phone. Number 2 may be a little bit controversial, but just hear me out. The ultrasonic fingerprint sensor in the front, I gotta tell you, I'm actually learning how to use it, or I have learned how to use it, and it's much more responsive than how it was at the beginning. And I'm kind of digging it. Like, I kind of now like the fact that it's in front. Sometimes it is easier to unlock the phone because sometimes the way how you handle the phone, you don't have to try to reach all the way to the top where it was with the Galaxy Note 9. But I know it's gonna be just a matter of opinions. It's not going to be the fastest sensors. I think there's still some room of improvement when it comes to the software, so it unlocks the phone faster. It is supposed to be more secure. It's going to be innovative. It's going to be new. It's going to be different from the other phones. Number 3, something that you get that you do not get with a lot of phones. I don't know if there's actually another phone that can do this, but the power share. So if you're out and about, and if you have a pretty good charge on your S10 Plus, and maybe you have your Galaxy Watch and it's out of battery, maybe you went out of town and you forgot your charger, well, you don't have to worry about that anymore because you can charge your Galaxy Watch Active Watches, you can charge it with the Galaxy S10 Plus using the power share technology on the back. Not just that, you can charge other phones, so it is a very good feature to have. It's not something you're gonna use all the time. I don't use it all the time, but when it comes to emergencies, it is very good, very nice to have. And number 4 is that infinity display. I know not everybody loves that bezel-less or infinity display. A lot of people still want to have those bezels like the Galaxy Note 4, but honestly, I've been using since I got the Galaxy Note 7 when it first came out. I fell in love with this type of infinity display screens. I don't know if there's something about it that I just like it much better. The 6.4-inch HD Quad Dynamic AMOLED display is going to be awesome. It's going to give you some cinematic display. Overall, I don't have any complaints with the display. I think it's really nice. It's really good. So that's something that you really are going to enjoy from this phone, in my opinion. Number 5 is the form factor. This phone is probably been my favorite one when it comes to handling the device. It's very easy to hold, easy to type, easy to navigate. It doesn't weigh a lot. It's pretty light compared to the Galaxy Note 9, Note 8, other phones that are similar to the size. I gotta tell you, I was very impressed. That was one of the things that really stood out to me, especially when I go from the Note 8 to the S10 Plus, from the Note 9 to the S10 Plus. It's just how light this phone is. And of course, you wanna have a case on this because any of the Samsung phones that you have the glass panels, you gotta have a case on it. I can assure you, eventually you're gonna drop it and it's gonna shatter, something's gonna happen, so you gotta have a case on it. Slapping a case on it makes it just even better. I know you add some bezels with the case, but that just makes it perfect so you don't have those accidental presses on the sides. Overall, I think the form factor was the thing that stood out for me, and I think for you, if you're thinking about getting the S10 Plus, the form factor, the lightness is going to be one of those factors that are going to blow you away. But let us know in the comment section below, what do you like about the Galaxy S10 Plus? What you don't like about the Galaxy S10 Plus? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you on the next one.